everyone, I am Cassandra, your 30-something beauty-loving normal gal, making videos here on YouTube for those of us over the age of 30. And in case his little head pops up, Teddy is on my lap since, you know, he just needs all the attention in the world. So if you see this little bit of gray hair coming down here, there's an animal in my lap. So today, I told you all about this months ago and said I would do a video, and then it didn't happen. I want to talk about the Trish McEvoy Instant Solutions Dry Sheet Mask, okay? So it comes in this box. Well, this comes in this box, and it's a resealable, I don't know why I'm doing it in front of my face. It's a resealable package that shows this mask. And this mask is dry. Like dry to the touch. It kind of feels like felt. It's a felt feeling. It has loops. You loop it over your ears. I'm not going to do it now because it'll mess up my makeup. And then the bottom part, I ripped it the last time I used it. The bottom part loops over your ears too. So your whole face is fully covered. You don't have to, because it loops, you don't have to lay there. You don't have to not move. Like, I drink coffee while using it. And the thing is, once you put it on with that nude side towards your face. You just kind of massage. I actually took a facial roller, like a jade roller, to it. And so it presses in these oils and these, let's see, like, what do they say? Hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants. It's mess-free, and the time-released ingredients continue to stay active on skin. So I heard about this when I went to the Trish McEvoy skin event at Nordstrom, my Nordstrom, and the mask is $21, but you get to use it 3 times. So that comes out to $7 each, which a bunch of wet masks that aren't as convenient are $3 each, or excuse me, are $6 each, right? Like my Too Cool for School one is $6 each. So when you break it down, it's not a bad deal. So here's the thing. You put it on, you massage it, and then you just leave it on for 10 minutes. And it just has, the oils start seeping in, or I shouldn't say oils, the serums and everything start seeping in. And after 10 to 15 minutes, you take it off, and it looks like you have a new face. I'm not joking. This is one of my new favorite things. Like, I brought this to Palm Springs back in March, and then I also just used it again this last week, 3 days in a row, just because. I had two of them. And, oh, here's the thing with it that I heard from the people, like from the Trish McEvoy person, is she uses this in the morning, and then that's it. You don't put your serums on top of it. You don't put lotions on top of it. Everything you need is in it. What? So you put it on, like those other $6 masks, don't do that. It's just $6 for an essence. So you take it off, and your face will have a nice glow. You don't look oily. There's just a glow. You'll be able to feel that there's like a little bit of product on your face. Like, oh, it did something. You can see that it did something. Now, I've been thinking about this, of what I would tell you. You could go 2 ways. I could see me using this on a beach vacation where I'm gonna end up by the pool all day or by the beach all day, and I'm barely gonna wear makeup on the trip, and put that on and a little bit of mascara and be like, I just have a nice glow, that's all I need. I could also see the opposite way, because let me just tell you, the last 3 days, my makeup has not looked better. So I didn't wear it today, so don't judge today's makeup, but the last 3 days I noticed every day my makeup lasted longer, it applied better. So I don't know what magic is in there that did that, but I think it really did help. So you could use it for special event nights, or I want to be low key, but I still want to be doing great things for my skin. But just wanted to let you know, dry masks exist, and they are amazing. And I know Charlotte Tilbury has a dry mask too. Now I kind of want to try it and compare, but I'm telling you right now, like, these are going on my Christmas list from now on, because they're not cheap, but for special events, for yeah, I would just say for special events, for vacations, things like that, or if you just need a real luxurious pick-me-up, the Trish McEvoy Dry Mask is worth it. So just wanted to get this quick video out to you all, letting you know that these are amazing. This one's been used 3 times, so I'm going to throw it away now. But I love these. These are a new favorite. Everyone should go try them. That is it. Let me know if you've tried it down below, or the Charlotte Tilbury one, and let me know what you thought, please. But that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!